I'm preheating my toaster oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a little pinch of salt to the rice. Bring it up to a boil. Cover it, reduce the heat to medium-low, simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using wild sockeye salmon. Add a little dried dill and just a touch of white pepper. Thinly slice 3 carrots. And now I'm going to chop up some zucchini. Drizzle the vegetables lightly with a little avocado oil. Sprinkle with some sea salt and a little of our white pepper. I'm going to bake this in the toaster oven for 15 minutes. So the total cook time is 15 to 20 minutes. If your salmon finishes before the vegetables, just remove the salmon fillets and let the vegetables cook a little longer.